Apollo.io chatbot honest review. Watch before using. Most people get sales chatbots wrong. They assume they only respond to basic questions. The surprising truth about Apollo.io chatbot is that it combines AI conversation with lead generation and CRM integration, and you won't believe how much it can improve outreach efficiency. Here's how it works. Apollo.io chatbot engages website visitors, qualifies leads, captures contact information, and syncs data with your CRM. It can answer FAQs, schedule meetings, and provide personalized responses based on user behavior. For example, a SaaS company can deploy the bot on its pricing page to answer common questions, qualify leads, and automatically route them to the sales team. Most people get this wrong. They think chatbots replace human interaction, but Apollo.io enhances human follow-up while handling repetitive tasks. Additional features include AI-powered insights, reporting dashboards, automated email sequences, and multi-channel engagement. Users praise its efficiency, lead capture effectiveness, and seamless integration with Apollo CRM. However, there are considerations. Advanced customization requires technical knowledge, and over-reliance on bots can reduce personal engagement if not monitored. Most people assume chatbots are impersonal. Apollo.io balances automation with personalized outreach. In conclusion, Apollo.io chatbot is ideal for businesses looking to automate lead capture, improve sales efficiency, and enhance customer engagement without losing personal touch. Subscribe for more honest reviews of sales automation and AI tools.